Before you go to bed tonight, make sure to prepare one of these awesome and totally delicious protein overnight oat recipes. Yep, today I'm gonna show you how to make cranberry crunch and peaches and cream. They not only taste great, they take no time at all. With the cranberry recipe, you've got 635 calories, 20 grams of fat, 42 grams of protein, and 74 grams of carbs. In the peaches recipe, you have 598 calories, 8.4 grams of fat, 33 grams of protein, and 83 grams of carbs. First thing you want to get is a paper towel. Now it's totally up to you, but I find that using a paper towel to sort of siphon all the ingredients into the mason jar makes it totally easier. You don't want to do that? You don't have to. For cranberry crunch, we're going to begin with the oats, the vanilla whey protein. I'm using vanilla because I love vanilla, so whatever. And 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. I'm also gonna add in some slivered almonds and dried cranberries. Take your mason jar, wrap up your ingredients, and siphon them right into the jar. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Shake it up a little bit, and then we're gonna pour in about 1 cup of almond milk. Now, how much almond milk you add is up to you. I usually add 1 cup to 1.5 cups. If you want overnight oats that are a little thicker, then the cup is probably good. If you want something a little more liquidy, go for 1/2 cup. We're done. That's it. What was that, like 2 seconds? I'm gonna stick this into the fridge for overnight, have it tomorrow morning. Pretty much exactly the same with your oats. We're using 3/4 cup. Then I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon, again, of flaxseed, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 scoop of vanilla whey protein. Gonna take my kimchi mason jar here, don't judge me. Siphon everything in, good to the last drop. So I've got some peaches here, some sliced peaches. Of course, we're in winter here in Canada, so peaches are not readily available, so I just use canned. You can even use frozen, that works great too. They'll be all thawed out, nice and soft in the morning. I just added in a tablespoon of maple syrup. It's totally up to you if you feel like you want it. You don't have to. I'm just adding it in. But with the whey protein and the peaches, it might be good enough for you. Another cup of almond milk goes in, and make sure you scrape at the bottom too, just to be sure everything is fully incorporated. And we're done. Cover it, stick it in the fridge, and I'll see you back when these are ready. Give these 2 recipes a go and let me know what you think. Leave a comment below, send me a message on Instagram or TikTok. I'm everywhere. And if you want to snag one of these beautiful little aprons or anything else from my shop, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I mean, come on. Click right over here for some more overnight oat recipes, and click right over here for a video that YouTube thinks you want to see. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.